Welcome to our channel, where we're dedicated to helping you achieve your fitness goals from the comfort of your own home. Today, we're tackling one of the most common fitness goals, achieving a flat stomach. Whether you're aiming to rock that bikini or just feel more confident in your own skin, we've got you covered. No gym membership required. In this video, we'll guide you through a series of effective home workouts designed to flatten your stomach in just 1 week. So, let's dive in and get closer to that dream physique. 1. Bicycle crunch. We have the bicycle crunch, a fantastic exercise for targeting the lower abs and obliques. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your legs lifted, knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Alternate bringing your right elbow towards your left knee while straightening your right leg, then switch to bring your left elbow towards your right knee. Keep up the pace for 10 to 15 reps on each side, feeling the burn with each twist. 2. High knees. Let's get that heart rate up with some high knees. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and pump your arms as you drive your knees up towards your chest. Aim for maximum height and speed, keeping the movement quick and controlled. Engage your lower abs to lift those knees higher and keep pushing yourself for 30 to 60 seconds. Feel the burn as you power through this cardio blast. 3. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks aren't just for cardio, they're also great for engaging those lower abs. Start with your feet together and arms at your sides, then jump your feet out wide as you raise your arms overhead. Jump back to the starting position and repeat for 30 to 60 seconds, focusing on maintaining good form and keeping those lower abs tight. Let's burn those calories and sculpt those abs. 4. Side plank with reach. We're finishing strong with the side plank with reach, targeting those obliques and lower abs from a different angle. Start in a side plank position, with your elbow directly beneath your shoulder and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Reach your top arm up towards the ceiling, then thread it underneath your body and reach towards the opposite side. Return to the starting position and repeat for 10 to 15 reps on each side. Feel the burn as you stabilize and strengthen those core muscles. And there you have it. 4 intense Pilates workouts to fire up those lower abs and take your fitness to the next level. Remember to listen to your body, stay hydrated, and always focus on proper form to avoid injury. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness content. Until next time, keep pushing yourself, stay dedicated, and embrace the burn.